Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, pups are learning, drawing, counting, singing, thinking, pups are getting smarter. Ryder and his team of pups will make you smarter too. Marshall, Rubble, Chase, Rocky, Zuma, Sky, yeah, they're on the way. Paw Patrol, whenever you have questions. Paw Patrol, will teach you every answer. Learning, thinking, getting smarter. Paw Patrol, we're on a roll. So here we go, Paw Patrol.
Learning how to make a ladybug out of Play-Doh. Puppies are playing in the kitchen. Like this. I will add some sand. I will add a delicious chicken pie. How about a little bit of fruit for a better taste? I will add something spicy. And a little bit of something sour. I'm so clumsy. Come on, let's tidy back up. Like that. And like that. You see, all down here. I will put that back. Here we go. And I will stir everything a little bit. La, la, la. Here we go. Puppies. Enough of playing. We have a job. We will meet in the tower. Woof, woof, I'm going. Woof, 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 woof. I'm coming. I'm Puppies, it's time for learning. Today, we are going to learn how to make a ladybug out of Play-Doh. Who's going to take the job?
No job is too big, no power pump is too small.
Rocky, the job is yours. Let's go! Wow, 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 wow. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. Yee-haw! Dun, 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 dun. Woof, 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 woof. Doo, 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 doo. Wow, look, a present! Woof, 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 woof. Wow, look at that! Oh, I fell If you pass the test, you will get a secret prize from the box. Ooh. Lindor! It's the best chocolate ever! Oh! Let us start. The body. The head. The line on the back. Eyes. Mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last leg, 6. Woof woof! Now it's my turn. I need to take a good look. I hope I can make it. Ooh, let's go! First, I take the red. I want to make the body. My ladybug. Roll, roll, roll the red Play-Doh. Oh, I'm going to make a big ladybug. Yeah! Be flat. Yes, I will squeeze you flat. Flat. I will have a beautiful big red ladybug. Ta-da! The body. Now, some blue. I will roll again, roll, roll, roll the Play-Doh. And then I will make it flat, flat, flat. Whoop-pow! Whoosh! Ta-da! The head. Let's go on. Next part, we roll, roll, roll the Play-Doh again. Needs to be nice and smooth. Roll it out, roll it out. Let's make a roll. Woof, woof. I will grab it and pull it here. Ta-da! That's my line for the ladybug. Woof, woof, woof. Looking nice. Let's go on. Now we will roll the Play-Doh again and give our ladybug some really nice shiny eyes. Oh yeah, and I will grab this here, one eye and 2 eyes. Ta-da! Beautiful. Here we go, here we go. Take more Play-Doh and roll, roll, roll. Make a ball and then make it flat. La la la. Oh, this is so much fun. I'm enjoying so much. I will grab it and put it here. Ah, it's the mouth. My ladybug is smiling. Woof woof. Now I need to give my ladybug some spots. And I roll the Play-Doh again. And then I roll it out. This is so much fun. I like playing with Play-Doh. Let's divide it into small pieces. And let's roll the Play-Doh again. It's a lot of rolling, but I like it. It's so much fun. Let's roll, roll, roll the Play-Doh. And a little bit more. I almost finished. It's so much fun. Oh, I'm enjoying myself. Here we go. That was the last one. And now I will put them on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. Oh, ladybug, you're so beautiful. I can't wait to finish you. Here we go. And now my ladybug needs to be able to walk. I need to give her some legs. And I'm rolling the Play-Doh again. I'll make it a long one. And then let's divide it. How many legs does a ladybug have? I know, 6. I need to prepare 6 legs. Let's roll the Play-Doh and make the ladybug beautiful legs. I will do them nicely and make them look real. I want to do my job very good. Oh, this is so much fun. It's so much fun to roll the Play-Doh. La 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 la. I'm almost finished. Just a little bit more. Oh, I'm having so much fun. Here we go. Ladybug, you're getting some legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last leg, 6. Ta-da! Oh, my ladybug, you're so beautiful! Rocky, you did it! Look at your ladybug! It's absolutely beautiful! You're amazing! You're so great! Yes! Yes, Rocky! Rocky, you did it! If there's something you don't know, never just give up and let it go. Call the pups and let them teach you. You'll be smart and everybody will admire you. And now, the delicious reward. Lindor, the best chocolate ever. Yum, yum, I can't wait. It's going to be so chocolatey. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, yes, please, some chocolate. Yes, we want it. Oh, yes, yes, please. Thank you, thank you. Yum, yum, I can't wait. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Yes, it's so delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, it's the best ever. Yum, 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 yum. I like it. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. The puppies did it. Now it's your turn. Make a ladybug out of Play-Doh.